Welcome to Sauvarnika Store channel. I have been discussing about exotic fruit plants in my earlier videos. This time I am before you to discuss about a wondrous, beautiful gifted flower that fought against most adverse ecological and geological eventualities and changes with the help, blessings and tender nurturing care of Mother Nature. Yes, I am talking about the lovely lotus flower plant we see smiling around us. You may be surprised to know that the seeds of this darling, delicate ornamental plant survived even the Ice Age that began 2.5 million years ago, when there was mass extinction of plants due to extreme climatic conditions. Lotus seeds are so gifted that they can survive in the lap of Mother Earth even in freezing winter and frozen ice and revive its glory back when the sun starts shining and the climate becomes favorable. Lotus plant is said to be the native of southern Asia and Australia. Lotus, colloquially called as Indian lotus, is the national flower of India. It is the national flower of Vietnam too. There are hundreds of varieties of lotus. The two main species of lotus found in India are the Nilambo lutea and the Nilambo nucifera. Lotus flowers open up on sunrise and close on sunset, and it remains for 3 days. In India, lotus is commonly known as Kamal in most Hindi-speaking regions and as Tamara or Tamarai in other South Indian languages. Lotus name is symbolic and is part of Indian culture and belief for good fortune. The flowers are widely used to make garlands and offerings for deities. Lotus plant contains high bioactive compounds and therefore used for pharmacological purpose. Researchers say that the chemicals present in lotus is effective to kill cancer cells and bacteria besides helping to protect heart, blood vessels, brain, liver and skin. Lotus is one of the oldest Indian flowers. This may be the reason that the mother of all languages, Sanskrit, bestowed beautiful innumerable names and highest esteem of purity to lotus in the poetic hymns of Hinduism and Buddhism. Hindus and Buddhists treat lotus flowers with great reverence and consider them as a symbol of spirituality. In Rig Veda and Atharva Veda, specific mention is made about lotus flowers. Sikhism and Jainism has great symbolic and philosophical relationship with lotus flower. Padma, better identified as the pink-colored lotus, has great importance in Hinduism. They believe that the unfolding of lotus petals symbolize the soul and growth of pure beauty from the cosmic mud. Hindu deities are also shown seated in lotus flowers. Lotus varieties include the white lotus Pundarika, Kamala the red-colored lotus, and the rare blue Kavaliya or Utpala lotus. The rarest of the rare is the 1000-petal lotus flower reported to have recently bloomed in Mahadeva temple, Kerala. The scientific nomenclature of Indian lotus is Nilambo nucifera. This exotic lovely flower is also known as Asian lotus. Water lily is mistaken as lotus bud. The fact is that the water lily belongs to Nymphaceae family and not Nulambonaceae family. Now let us understand how this aquatic perennial graced beauty can be successfully grown as an ornamental plant to decorate our house verandas and balconies. Lotus plants are generally grown from tubers or from healthy fresh seeds. Seeds can be germinated in freshwater container or pot, and these plants can be moved to bigger flower pots or containers later. For germinating from seeds, the hard black outer cover epicarp has to be removed first by rubbing on a rough hard surface or on a sandpaper till the second white inside part appear. Once the white inner spot becomes visible, drop the seed in freshwater container and wait to start germination. That may take about a week's time. Lotus leaves should always remain on water surface, and if they subside in water, the plant may die. Fertilize lotus plants when they have about 5 to 6 leaves. Pond tablets are nowadays available in the market. It is not a wise idea to place the fertilizer directly against the tuber itself. If the plant takes over the container, cut new growth, but remember not to cut flower or the stem of leaves below water level, as roots and tubers use these stems for oxygen. The lotus creeping rootstock called rhizomes is widely used as a vegetable for making of pickles and soups. Lotus rhizomes cannot be stored for long as their shelf life is poor. Lotus plant fibers collected are also used to make lotus silk and for making lotus robes for Buddha deities. Lotus have great significance in Ayurvedic treatment. Lotus plant contains high bioactive compounds and therefore used for pharmacological purposes. Researchers on lotus shows that the chemicals present is effective to kill cancer cells and bacteria. They also help to protect heart, blood vessels, brain, liver, skin and to bring down blood sugar. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching the video. We at Sauparnika grow exotic and rare plants in our home garden. I will be back with another exotic rare plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.